Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to do a short drawing activity with you called Yes You Can Draw a Penguin. Because yes, you can draw a penguin, and today I'm going to show you how to do it in some very easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'll be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. Today I'll be using my dry erase marker. If you have your supplies ready, I'm ready to get started. Let's do this. So the first thing you'll notice is that I have my paper set up vertically so that I can draw a bigger penguin. You can obviously turn your board any way you want, but it will affect the size and shape of your penguin. The first step next is we are going to draw a circle. And this circle is going to be our penguin's head. And I go ahead and start with a full circle to begin with, and then I'll be able to erase some pieces of it later as I fill in the rest. So I highly recommend either using an erasable marker or a pencil to start off. And then you can use your crayons and markers to color everything in. But being able to erase makes it a lot more fun to draw, and you can feel free to make mistakes, which we all do. The next thing that we're going to do is from here, we're going to make a big teardrop shape. And this teardrop shape is going to be our penguin's body. So you can make that penguin shape as big or as small as you want. And I'm going to leave it like this because I think it's pretty cute. Next, we're going to add some markings to our penguin's face because part of the noticeable things about penguins is that they are black and white and they have distinguishable markings on their faces. So I'm going to make a little dot on both sides of the top of my circle. This is to let me know where I want to start coming down. And then right here in the middle of my circle, I'm going to draw an upside down triangle. Now, sometimes that's a little bit hard. If that's hard for you, turn your board upside down and draw a regular upside triangle, and then turn your board back around. But if you can draw it upside down, try it. Challenge yourself, if you will. And then I'm going to make another smaller triangle inside this triangle. So it makes it look like we have a penguin that can speak, can talk. I'm going to give it some little air holes. We're getting closer and closer. Now we're going to come back to those markings. From the side of our triangle up to our dot, we're going to make kind of a curved line that goes all the way to the top. And we're going to do it again on the other side. Notice how it's not really a C, but a curved line. And now we can add in our eyes. So we'll draw one circle and another circle. And then we're going to go back in. You can color in some pupils. If you'd like to give your penguin some eyelashes, do it. If you want to give your penguin some eyebrows, do it. For now, I'm just going to leave mine with these eyes. And I erased a little bit because part of the thing about drawing with something that erases is that it might erase. You can just draw it back. Now, we're going to come back and we're going to add some markings to our penguin's body. This time we're just going to make another teardrop shape right inside this shape. Just like this. I'm going to come back go over that again with my marker. So you can see we have a penguin that has its little belly. Usually a penguin has this outside part is a black and its inside part is very, very white. Same thing on the top. This middle marking here is very black and the rest of its face is white. And you can actually even extend these markings. They can come up the face just a little bit more. See, I'm just making my teardrop come up so it meets up with the beak. And now we are almost done making penguins. The last two things we're going to add are some wings and some feet. Now, some of you might be wondering, why does a penguin have wings if it can't fly? And I just learned about this week. My class watched a video about why penguins have wings but cannot fly. And it showed that the penguin's wings are actually designed to help it swim through water. And it probably helps it to push itself along on its belly when it's on land as well. So there we go. You can notice I just colored in those wings. They're also black. And then we're going to add a three-toed foot. 1, 2, 3. And another one. 1, 2, 3. And there you have it, friends. Oh, cute little penguin. I encourage you to try to make your own penguins. You can make them big, you can make them small, you can make a family of penguins. It is all up to you and your very creative minds. If you liked this video, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you're not a subscriber yet, please click the subscribe button down here at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified when there's new content. I hope everyone's having a wonderful beginning of their 2022. And I hope to see you all again real soon. Bye-bye.